Okay, I'm going to talk about creating a pictorial representation in the digital world. So first, let's take the Jamboard and set a background. You can choose the dots, which are very flexible. You can choose the grid, and I'm going to choose the grid for now. I'm going to create a whole. Remember that we've already established with students how important it is to establish the whole. And so the first thing that I'll always do is establish the whole. And so I'm going to try to establish the whole that looks something like this. And okay, so if this is one whole, then I like to label it. Of course, we've been talking a lot about labeling. So this is equal to one whole. You'll start to see kind of the importance of having students have an understanding of how to establish the whole. So I'm going to choose another color now, and I'm going to just divide this whole into pieces that are roughly equal. By the way, this isn't going to be an exact drawing, but then again, we wouldn't expect it to be exact. Okay, so now down below, I could even go and label each of those, but instead what I'd like to do, I'll just label them. So I think it's important to have kids do something like this, which is to literally label the pieces. And then on the portion below, to draw out a drawing that represents that piece and what I'm going to call the fractional value of that piece. Let's see, did I get it right? One more. So this piece, I think, and then I'll label it by actually putting the label on it, but I also want to label it by saying this equals to 1, or I'm going to actually say, I'll say equals to 1/4 because 4 equal pieces are a fair trade for one whole. Okay, so let's see. You can edit this. Let's see, what can I do? I can change this by making it longer and skinnier. And let's see. And I'll change that to a caption size just to make it smaller so that it fits in there more easily. And let's see, that's it. So I want to label the size and I want them to show their reasoning. This is not really new from what we've been doing, but now what we're doing is taking it to a level where the student is creating the representation, what I'm going to call a pictorial representation.